Today we're showing you a New Holland TC35 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 16LA quick attach front loader. Also has a New Holland backhoe on the back of it. So the whole unit is selling complete. It was traded in from a fella out of West Virginia. It is in good overall condition. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. It does have a little bit of damage here in the hood. Tires are pretty good up front. They have approximately half tread left. They do have a little bit of dry rot there on the tire. Bucket's in nice shape. Certainly not a new tractor, but it is a functioning, working tractor. The backhoe does have the subframe, which ties in right here. And then it also has still has the 3-point arms back here. The backhoe is not attached to the 3-point arms, but they are here if you want to remove the backhoe and use those arms for something different. The arm here looks like it might be bent a little bit. I'm not quite sure. It's kind of hard to tell from this angle, but it did look like it was bent slightly. Backhoe does have a little bit of rust on it, but works just fine. Like he's got a PTO extender on there. A little bit of damage here in the fender. A little bit of a rip in the seat. Overall, not a bad little tractor. 1,813 hours on it currently. If you're looking for a little inexpensive loader backhoe, this might be a nice fit. If you have questions regarding the tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.